Hi, I'm out here with my nonprofit group, the Stewards of the Sierras, and today we're removing old wood post signs with carcinite signs, and I'll show you a short video on what we do and how we do that. So we shake it back and forth visually. Oh, so hard. Rough job. Notice he has his gloves on and a helmet. We have to have our helmets and gloves on doing this job. Then the posts, we recycle, and we do not just throw them out into the weeds, we recycle them.
We're in training now.
Training mode?
Yeah.
Ready to.
They haven't got their sticker certificate yet. See, we flip through the books. You know, this is very dangerous. She don't have her gloves on. She could get a paper cut. I'm just noticing the safety.
You can't do it with gloves on.
And it's only like 32 degrees right now, right? So once they're done putting the stickers on, we'll show you what's next. Gene has to carry it down, of course, because he's the supervisor. Oh, wait a minute. Are you guys filming?
I'm filming.
Okay, so then we take the carcinite sign and we insert. No derogatory. Okay, this is a super easy one because we put it right back into the post hole. Ready? We're done. Up, 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 Mark. Up means up.
You want one more thing, you know, it's not.
No, we're going to put it in with some rocks. And then sometimes you just got to find some rocks to put in the hole. Oh, there you go. That's how it's done the perfection.